Hello everybody and welcome back. So the spaceship is rendering and unfortunately it's not visible. Well, at this point it's not going to be visible because it hasn't come off the ground yet, so I'm not going to worry about that and I'm going to remove it completely. So the next thing we want to test is the sparks or the debris. So let's go to frame 100 and let's test the sparks debris, and these are debris coming off of the lightning effects as it propagates and its actual geometry. So I'm reading the raw geometry and it's packed primitive, and Arnold is rendering directly that. So let's see what we have. Oh, I don't have any lights, so let's include all the lights we need. And that's our debris rendering. Great. Let's include the main debris as well and make sure everything is rendering. And at this point, I'm doing a few things. I'm testing that my geometry is rendering. I'm testing that all the smoke and everything is cached correctly, rendering correctly. So I'm debugging and making sure everything is ready to go final. And then also preparing everything to start doing look dev. So once I have this assembly scene or this quick look dev, what I can use it for is to iterate over my elements. And what I do is I render at low resolution using this low res settings. I have the passes split. I can start pre-comping things, and I have better understanding of what's going to happen, how to approach things either visually or in Houdini. So this is my debris. Everything looks good, and let's do this. I'm gonna the smoke for this pass, or actually I don't need the check. Everything is working as expected. So let's do some tests. I'm gonna call this live, and live. And what we need is for the beauty pass, we need these two. We don't need the spaceship, and the phantom is the smoke. So we want to cast shadow of the smoke on top of the RBD debris and everything we have. Next is the illumination. For the illumination, we need all the geometry. We don't need the spaceship, and the phantom, the source of light, is this. We don't need any lights. For the smoke, we need all the smoke plus the fire, and we need everything to be used as matte. So here we don't need the spaceship, and forced matte is all of this. Now for the path, I'm going to copy this. For the output path, I'm going to type in $F and out test $os.exr. So the name, this is going to give me the name of the node. And I'm going to paste it on all of these. I'm going to set the EXR to half precision. And that's it. I don't need to clamp anything. I'm going to set this to 15. And I'm going to include a few things in the beauty path. So I want the world position. We'll go with depth. And the position. And the normals. Just in case I wanted to explore that. I don't have any specific idea about it at the moment. I'm going to set the resolution to 1280 by 720. And it's going to render this frame. So let's go maybe here just to make sure that we have enough fire and all. And I'm going to hit render and then wait for this to finish. We're going to import it into Nuke and start working on this further. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in a bit.